Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Black 8mm per 10mm motorcycle spear blade rear. Material: aluminum mirror housing, aluminum stem with black finish, adjustable mirror angle, up and down, left and right, comes with 2x10mm adapters, 2x8mm adapters, 1x10mm counterclockwise adapter, package included, 1 sets, left-right, black blade style side mirror. Number 2. MZS motorcycle mirrors rear view side 8mm 10mm. Fitment universal motorcycle mirrors 10mm 8mm, 2x8mm 10mm standard bolts, 1x8mm 10mm reverse bolt, not fit M10X 1.5, suitable for most motorbike, scooter, street bike, cruiser, touring, ATV, etc. Material made of high-impact ABS housing, HD glass and aluminum alloy stem. Strong and long-lasting. Number 3. MZS motorcycle mirrors. Black motorcycle mirrors 10mm 8mm, 2x8mm 10mm standard bolts, 2x8mm 10mm reverse bolts, suitable for most motorbike, street bike, scooter, cruiser, chopper, touring, moped, etc. Not for M10X 1.5 and HDM 8 bolts. Number 4. MZS Adventure motorcycle mirrors. 2024 new MX style 8mm 10mm motorcycle mirrors with aluminium mount design, fit for most adventure, street, dirt bike, a bike, quad, snowmobile, scooter, moped, GY6 ATV. MZS Adventure motorcycle mirrors used impact resistance ABS injection molded housing. Number 5. MZS Universal motorcycle mirrors. Material made of smooth aluminum alloy and HD glass. Strong and long-lasting, it's shockproof and corrosion-resistant, great for all weather conditions. Wider vision motorcycle mirrors adopted white clear glass lens, give a high-definition and wider angle vision on both day and night, easily seeing the upcoming cars and obstacles.